Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to install gutter guards. First, ensure your gutters are completely clear of leaves and debris. This crucial step prevents future clogs and ensures a smooth installation. Next, gather all your tools like a ladder, snips, and safety gear, along with the gutter guards themselves. Finally, accurately measure your gutter lengths to determine how many guards you will need, ensuring a perfect fit. Now let's talk about choosing the right guards. There are various types, such as mesh, screen, or reverse curve, each with unique benefits. Select one that best suits your home and local foliage. When placing them, ensure they are positioned to effectively deflect leaves and twigs away from the gutter channel. Always allow for a slight overlap, perhaps 1/2 inch, between sections to maintain continuous protection. With your guards chosen and measured, it's time for installation. Secure each guard firmly to the front lip of the gutter, often using clips or screws, to prevent them from shifting. You'll need to trim guards, perhaps with tin snips, to fit around corners and downspouts, ensuring a neat and effective seal. After installation, do a quick check for any gaps or loose sections that might allow debris to enter. Once your gutter guards are installed, you'll enjoy significant benefits. While they greatly reduce the need for cleaning, it's wise to perform occasional checks, perhaps once or twice a year, to ensure no small debris has accumulated. This simple installation protects your home from potential water damage, prevents pest infestations, and saves you time and effort on maintenance, making your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.